Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me. I asked you guys questions on Instagram, so I'm just going to answer those and we're just going to have a great time, and yeah. So the first question I got was, how old are you and where are you from? I am from Colorado Springs, that's where I currently live, and I am almost 19. I will turn 19 on August 13th. So in like less than a month. I'm super excited. Just kidding, no I'm not. Like, who cares about 19? I feel like 19 is such a stupid age. I'm literally at my boyfriend's house. Just have like this bag of makeup. Like, this is all my makeup in here. Like, wow. It's sad. It's kind of a struggle because I don't have like a vanity or anything. So I just kind of have all my shit thrown in a bag. But it's cool. So first, I'm going to start off with the Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to put that on my eyes. I just want to apologize because I look like a literal like skater boy that's like 13. And yeah, I apologize. So then after that's on, ew, why am I fucking talking like that? Alright, so now I'm going to take my Modern Renaissance and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. And the next question I got was, have I ever been to Germany? No, I have never been to Germany. Sorry, this lighting is so bad. Like, I apologize. You can see all my under eyes. Like, girl, it's terrible. But no, I've never been to Germany. I think it'd be fun to go. I just want to go to like Europe in general. So the next question I got is, what is my summer song? I don't really have one. I have like a playlist that I've been playing like all summer. And then the next question I got was, how tall am I? I'm actually 5'2". Everyone says I look tall in my pictures, but bitch, I am short. So the next question I got was, what are my, I need to put my hair up. Okay, so now I'm going to use me Tarte concealer again, and this like Morphe brush. It's literally the best brush in the whole world. Like, if you don't have it, you need it. It is the Morphe M508. Oh, it's so good, literally. Eyebrow freaking brush, if you need one. This is the one, girl. This is the one. The next question I got was, what are my goals like for my future, like career-wise, family-wise? Do I want kids? Yes, I want kids. I always beg my boyfriend. I'm like, can we please have a baby? He always says no to me, so I definitely want a baby. Like, guys, I have such bad baby fever. Like, it's fine. Career-wise, I want to do YouTube, but I'm literally so stupid, and I like get depressed. Like, literally, I'm like, wow, I could actually be somewhere in my life and I'm sitting on my ass eating wings. Like, yeah, or like be a professional makeup artist. The next question I got was, how do I keep my skin so clear? Honestly, I think it's just genetics. But yeah, for the most part, my skin is pretty clear. Obviously, I have a lot of freckles. Like, you guys probably can't see them, but I have a lot of freckles and I have like really bad under eyes. And I just have like discoloration, but that's about it. I don't really have like acne or anything. And guys, oh my gosh, I'm gonna expose myself right now. Like, here's the tea with me. That skincare video I made, basically I got those products that I used like the day before I made that video, and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna use these in my skincare video. Like, I had never used them before. Like, they were like really cheap from Ulta. I was just like, oh, I want to like try some new skincare, see if it works. And literally broke out so bad the next day. I was literally so pissed. I was like, wow, cool. So like, honestly, that skincare video is a flop. I don't know whether to take it down or to just make like a new one. So the next question I got is who's my favorite band or singer? Honestly, I don't really listen to like bands. Only band I listen to is like Cage the Elephant, so that's probably like my favorite band. I really only listen to like rap and that's about it. But singer, probably Billie. She's so good. Billie slays. Like, oh my gosh, she's so good. The NYX Ultimate palette. This is so good. Honestly, like guys, if you don't have this, like you should totally get it because it's so bomb. I'm just going to take this MAC 286 brush and I'm going to go in with this like hot pink color. The question I got was, what is the craziest thing that's happened to me this summer? Honestly, I don't even know. Summer doesn't even feel like summer. Love that. So the next question is, would you ever consider moving to California? Definitely. Like, if I had the money, I would probably live there right now. But I'm poor, so California is literally my favorite place ever. So I would definitely move there. So next I'm just going to do a half cut crease. So I'm just going to use that same brush I used to carve out my eyebrows. Tape shape again. I'm just going to take this BH Cosmetics like powder palette and I'm just going to use the like lightest shade and just put that right over top. Indian or Chinese food, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I've never even tried Indian food, so I guess Chinese food. And the next question was, who buys all your makeup? I do. I don't really buy a lot of makeup, honestly. I just use like what I need. I'm gonna build up my inventory, if you know what I mean. I'll buy like little things here and there, but if I like need like foundation or powder or whatever, then I buy that. And then if I need like something for a client, I'm going to go back in with this palette and I'm going to use the yellow, mustard yellow, like orangey yellow, and I'm going to put that right in between like the fade. So now I'm just going to use the NYX matte liquid liner and just do a winged liner. So now I'm going to take my favorite duo again. So now I'm going to go in with my Fit Me concealer foundation. This is in the shade 120. And then the next question was, do I have a job besides YouTube? Yes, I do. I do makeup and I also work at my church, and I work in like it's not like a daycare, it's like a nursery, and I just watch babies. It's really fun. And the last question I got was, do I have any tattoos? Yes, I have 3, and I actually have a video of 2 of them, so if you guys want to watch those. Next, I'm just taking my Airspun powder. This is in Honey Beige. So now I'm going to take my butter bronzer and contour my face. Now I'm taking my Amrezi, I don't know how to pronounce it. So now I'm just going back in with the palette. Sorry, I was rudely interrupted. So I'm just taking that palette and putting that pink underneath. So now I'm just going to put on mascara. So for lip, I'm just going to be using the Melted Matte in Queen Bee. It's like a purpley, like, nude color. Guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!